Hi, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Rahim Nahim. I'm here to show you our 2024 Azimut 45 Atlantis. We're here on board the Azimut 45 Atlantis. This boat comes from factory with this hydraulic platform. It goes down maximum 4 feet. You can equip a little tender or a jet ski. Very versatile. Here we have the Azimut Atlantis 45's garage. We could store a Williams jet tender, twin sea bobs, or all your toys for the sandbar. We're here in the cockpit of the Azimut 45 Atlantis. Notice how we have this great U-shaped seating, real versatile, beautiful large table. We here have a freezer with a freezer plate. We have a nice sink with a Kenyan electric grill. And here we have a refrigerator, great for entertaining. We're here in the helm of the Atlantis 45 Atlantis. As we make our way to the helm, here we have these two beautiful bucket seat racing style captain chairs. This boat comes equipped with twin Volvo IPS, the 650, which produce 450 horsepower each. Here we got the throttle, we got the joystick with the hold positioning system. We do have a bow thruster and twin Garmin GPSs. Here on the port side, we have this amazing lounge that could fit up to 3 people with a dedicated map storage and personal belongings storage and cup holders there, so your passengers are nice and comfortable. As we make our way down to the cabin, here on the starboard side, we have this amazing galley with a dedicated stove, a nice sink. We do have an oven and an amazing large refrigerator. Coming up towards the bow, we have the master bedroom. Nice sized bed, great storage under the bed, great closet space, and a private bathroom. Coming into the aft cabin, we have 3 beds. So you can fit a whole family in here. Great design, real comfortable with its own TV and plenty of storage space. Thank you for joining us here at MarineMax Miami on board this 2024 Azimut 45 Atlantis. If you need more information on this beautiful vessel, visit us at www.marinemaxmiami.com, or you can call me at 786-327-9175. Thank you.